Did you know that millions of people around the world wake up every day with a strange tingling, numbness, or even pain in their hands and feet? It's a condition called peripheral neuropathy. But what if I told you there are super seeds, yes, tiny seeds, that could help strengthen your nerves, and in some cases, even repair nerve damage? Stick with me, and I'll reveal 5 powerhouse seeds that not only nourish your nervous system but also offer a whole lot more. By the way, do you or anyone you know experience nerve issues? Let me know in the comments below, and let's see how we can tackle it together. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up to show some love. You may think seeds are just food. But what if I told you seeds are nature's medicine? Research backs it up. Seeds won't replace your doctor, but for general nerve health and minor issues, they're a low-risk, nutrient-packed way to support your nervous system. How should you use them? How much should you eat? Watch till the end because I'll answer all your questions, and more. 1. Chia seeds, the omega-3 powerhouse. Chia seeds have taken the world by storm, popping up in smoothies, puddings, and health foods everywhere. But these tiny seeds pack a massive punch for nerve health. What's the secret? Chia seeds are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are critical for reducing inflammation, often the culprit behind nerve problems. They also protect the myelin sheath, that all-important coating around your nerve fibers. But that's not all. Chia seeds are bursting with antioxidants that shield nerves from oxidative stress and injury. Bonus benefit: chia seeds are great for hydration. When mixed with water, they form a gel-like substance that can help keep you hydrated, perfect for athletes or if you just want glowing skin. How to use them? Mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with almond milk, top it with your favorite fruit, and refrigerate overnight. Want something simpler? Sprinkle chia seeds on yogurt, salads, or oatmeal for an easy, nutritious boost. Question for you: have you tried chia seeds before? What's your favorite way to use them? 2. Sunflower seeds, B vitamin boost for nerve health. Sunflower seeds aren't just for snacking during a baseball game. These little seeds are loaded with vitamin E and B vitamins, especially thiamine, B1, and B6, which are essential for proper nerve function. B vitamins help with the transmission of nerve signals, making sunflower seeds a great snack for brain and nerve health. Interesting fact: did you know sunflower seeds are native to North America and were first cultivated over 4,500 years ago by indigenous people? Bonus benefit: sunflower seeds are also a fantastic source of copper, which helps in the formation of myelin, the protective coating around your nerves. How to use them? Sunflower seeds are incredibly versatile. Eat them as a snack, use sunflower seed butter as a peanut butter alternative, or sprinkle them over baked goods for a little extra crunch and nutrition. Question for you: what's your favorite way to enjoy sunflower seeds? Have you tried sunflower seed butter before? 3. Flax seeds, the secret to nerve regeneration. Flax seeds might be tiny, but they are a potent source of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid that can support nerve health. But flax seeds also come with a bonus: lignans. These antioxidant compounds not only reduce inflammation but may actually help with nerve regeneration. Yes, you heard that right, flax seeds could potentially help your body repair nerve damage. Interesting fact: did you know flax seeds have been cultivated for over 6,000 years and were once considered a superfood of ancient civilizations? Talk about ancient wisdom. Bonus benefit: they're also fantastic for digestion thanks to their high fiber content, which helps regulate bowel movements and promotes gut health. How to use them? Flax seeds need to be ground for your body to access all their nutrients. Sprinkle ground flax seeds on smoothies, yogurt, or even in soups. You can also use them in baking as a substitute for flour. Question for you: have you ever tried using flax seeds in baking? Let me know in the comments below. 4. Pumpkin seeds, a magnesium-rich nerve booster. Pumpkin seeds are more than just a fall snack. These crunchy little seeds are packed with magnesium, which is crucial for regulating nerve signals. Low magnesium can lead to uncomfortable sensations like tingling and numbness. But that's not all. Pumpkin seeds also contain zinc and vitamin E, both of which support healthy nerves and protect them from oxidative damage. Did you know that pumpkin seeds can improve your sleep? Their magnesium content helps promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. That's one tasty way to wind down after a long day. How to use them? Snack on roasted pumpkin seeds, toss them into salads, or sprinkle them on top of your soups. They're a delicious and crunchy way to give your nerves a little extra love. Question for you: have you tried pumpkin seeds before? What's your favorite way to enjoy them, raw or roasted? 5. Hemp seeds, a complete protein for nerve health. Hemp seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. Not only are they a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids, but they also have gamma-linolenic acid, GLA, an omega-6 fatty acid with anti-inflammatory properties. GLA is particularly beneficial for people with diabetic neuropathy, a type of nerve damage caused by diabetes. Bonus benefit: hemp seeds are fantastic for heart health too. They help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. How to use them: sprinkle hemp seeds on salads, blend them into smoothies, or use them in baking. Some people even enjoy hemp seed milk as a dairy-free alternative. Question for you: have you tried hemp seeds before? What's your favorite way to add them to your meals? How to use these seeds for maximum benefits? You don't need to eat tons of seeds to get their benefits. Just 1 to 2 tablespoons per day of each seed is plenty. Rotate between chia seeds on Monday, flax seeds on Tuesday, pumpkin seeds on Wednesday, and so on. Or, make your own super seed blend to sprinkle on meals throughout the week. Important note: while these seeds are generally safe, some can interact with medications, like flax seeds with blood thinners. Always check with your doctor if you're unsure. There you have it. 5 super seeds that can help boost your nervous system, repair nerve damage, and give your overall health a serious upgrade. So, next time you're grocery shopping, don't forget to grab some of these seeds. Your nerves might just thank you. Do you already eat any of these seeds? Drop a comment below, and let's chat. And before you go, make sure to smash that subscribe button, hit the bell icon for notifications, and share this video with anyone who could use a little nerve boost. Let's make this the most liked video on the channel ever.